Well, howdy there, pardners. Today we're rustling up gold in your editor. We're going to show you how to create a task from a post-it note with Huckleberry. Let's ride. First things first, you'll need the VS Code Insiders build. It's where all the gold's buried. Once you've got Insiders open, mosey on over to the extensions panel and install the Huckleberry Task Master.
Like a river tide, pulling me farther than the county line. I'm just a whisper riding shotgun air.
Now, take a gander at this here post-it note. We've snapped a quick screenshot of it and dropped it right into Insiders. Then we add it as context for the agent. Looking mighty fine on your workbench. With our note in place, let's holler at Huckleberry. Open the command palette, switch to agent mode, and simply ask, "Hey, Huckleberry, create a task from this post-it note." Hold your horses, watch that AI saddle up your note, rope in the details, and spit out a brand new task, all neat and tidy in your side panel. And that's all she wrote, friends. Sit back, tip your hat, and let your Huckleberry take care of business. From all us here at the ranch, happy coding, and we'll see you on the next trail.
I'll pick that lock with a rhyme tonight. Every flash flood, every courthouse bluff, I stand up tough when the road gets rough. From corner stoop to the mountain dairy, got heart